In this lesson, we're going to learn about the SQL DELETE statement. The delete statement is used to remove records, also known as rows, from database tables. So, let's get started and explore how to effectively use the SQL DELETE statement to manage data in our databases. Here is the basic syntax for the delete statement. It starts with the keyword delete from, followed by the name of the table from which you want to delete data. Then we have the where clause. The where clause specifies a condition that determines which records should be deleted. If you omit the where clause, all records in the table will be deleted. So be careful. Here is an important note. The where clause specifies which records should be deleted. If omitted, all records will be deleted. Before we dive into some examples, let's take a look at a sample database table. Imagine we have a table named Customers, with columns like Customer ID, Customer Name, Contact Name, and Country. This table contains information about various customers. We will use this table for our delete statement examples. For example, the customer ID to Ana Trujillo, and Mexico are highlighted. This record will be used in the example on the next slide. Now, let's see how to delete a single record from the Customers table. The SQL statement is, delete from customers where customer ID equals 2. This statement will delete the record where the customer ID is equal to 2 in our Customers table. After executing the statement, the record with customer ID 2, that is Ana Trujillo's record, will be removed from the table. All other records will remain intact. Therefore, we will have the records with customer IDs 1, 3, and 4. In this slide, let's see how to delete multiple records from the Customers table. The SQL statement is, delete from customers where country equals Mexico. This statement will delete all records where the country is Mexico from the Customers table. After executing the statement, the records of Ana Trujillo and Antonio Moreno will be removed from the table. All other records from other countries will remain intact. Therefore, we will have the records with customer IDs 1, 4, and 5. So far we have seen how to delete single and multiple records. On this slide, let us see how to delete all records from a table. The SQL statement is simply, delete from customers. There is no where clause in this statement. This statement will delete all records from the customers table, leaving the table empty. Please note the big warning here. Omitting the where clause will delete all records from the table. The alternative way to empty a table but keep its structure is to use the truncate table statement instead. The table structure remains intact, but all data has been permanently removed. Let us look at the best practices when using the delete statement. First, always use the where clause. Always include a where clause with delete statements to specify which records to remove. This prevents accidental deletion of all records. Second, do not test in production. Never test delete statements directly in a production database. Always use a test environment or a backup of your data. Third, use select first. Preview the records that will be deleted by running a select query with the same where clause before executing your delete statement. Fourth, be aware of foreign keys. Ignoring foreign key constraints. Be aware of foreign key constraints. Deleting records referenced by other tables may cause errors or cascade deletions depending on your database configuration. Here is a summary of what we learned about the delete statement. First, delete removes rows from a table. Second, the where clause determines which rows to delete. Third, omitting the where clause deletes all records. Fourth, delete operations are permanent. Fifth, consider foreign key constraints. Here is the syntax reference. Delete from table name where condition. For example, delete from customers where customer ID equals 1. Finally, remember to always back up your data before performing delete operations, especially in production environments. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.